the idea, and if not, it'll just be a bit of fun, all right? But I can't stress it enough. I feel so good tonight. This is a really magical vibe, so thank you for coming and joining me. All right, we'll give this a go. I try to close my eyes, but still the feeling calcifies. I might let it slide, but when I'm sleeping back it flies. 'Cause you can't get back what is flown, like using your hands to gather smoke. And if you've forgotten me, alright, there's no need to remind. Oh, here we go. I lie, it hurts sometimes. I say it's easy, but that's a lie. And it's a state of mind, tries to creep and make me fly. Can't get back what is flown, like using your hands to gather smoke. And if you've forgotten me, that's fine. There's no need to remind. If you don't want me, then that's alright. Maybe I'll meet you on the other side. If you ever come around and beat your pride, maybe I can meet you on the other side. If you don't want me, baby, that's alright. Maybe I can meet you on the other side. If you ever come around and beat your pride, maybe I can meet you on the other side. You can't get back what is flown. It's like using your hands to gather smoke. And if you don't know me, that's alright. There's no need to remind. Thank you so much. Thank you very, very much. You did it.